In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify password, both if you know what it currently is and if you don't know what it currently is. First, if you know what it is and you are signed in, just open up Shopify and go to Settings in the left menu. And from here, just click My Store Admin in the bottom left. Then go to Security in the left menu right there. And you will then find Password. Here you can then click Change Your Password. Then what you will need to do is enter your current password and then your new password and confirm it. Now, if you forgot it, you can click Forgot Password here, but this only works if you are signed in. But what you could also do is go to Shopify Login and click on Login to your Shopify account. And then just enter your email address and then click on Forgot Password. Now, it's in Dutch here, but just click on the link down there under the password. And then an email will be sent where you can reset your password. So click on that. And then they will have sent you a link where you can now reset your password even if you don't know what it currently is. So that's how you can change your Shopify password. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.